Good morning. Welcome back to Traveling CODA. Today, I'm hoping I'll finish and maybe tomorrow get to the dump. Yeah, fingers crossed. We hope there's no nails in the new tires. So yeah, I did already get the new tires and I'll show you. Okay, I think that's all for today because I have to go to work later on this afternoon for about 3 hours. So a little bit today. I'll show you when I'm done and then more tomorrow. Okay? I'll show you the new tires. Ugh, $2,200. Okay. I think my car was jealous. Hold on a minute. There's nobody around. Yeah, there's nobody there. I think my car was jealous because Pew had a flat tire. Really? So I came back to the same place. Ugh, I'm going to be glad when mask time is over. Anyway, oh, my ears are bending over. I have weak ears. Uh, anyway, um, my car, I got in it. Summer and I were heading to the store, and the light was on saying low air, the warning. Now in Alaska it's cold, so it tends to have low air. But I said I better check. Something in my gut told me I better go check. Ugh, flat tire. So I get here, they pulled the tire out and said, well, there's a screw. So they have to fix it and we'll put the tire back on the car. Okay, see you back home. So, my hands are very cold. Every time I hit the hammer, they just sting. Ooh, I'm using these gloves, but they're not warm enough. I have other gloves that are warm, but I can't feel the handles when I need to hammer and hold stuff. So, I hate the cold. I don't like it. So I'm a little bit stuck. The wood strips that are on top, there's so many staples and it's hard to get that up. I'll just keep working with it and see if I can finally get it up. Okay, my hands are cold. I need to drink some hot chocolate. Oh, and hold the cup and go, oh. Okay, well, I'll keep at it. So I finished all of that. I was trying to get this up, but the drill died again. Ugh. I hate it dying all the time. I need another battery. Ugh. Well, I guess I'm finished for today because the battery died again on the drill. Um, Maybe I can come back out tonight. Let the battery recharge. But I was like on a roll and then the floor, I got that up and I was unscrewing the plywood because I wanted to see what was underneath, but now I have to wait. So, but it looks pretty good. I'll show you. I got all that. Looks good. I will have more over there, but I really want to get this up first because I want to see what's underneath. Okay, battery is recharged again, so I'm going to try to get these screws out and see if we can see what's underneath. Hopefully it'll come out easy. Now, I said easy before and it wasn't easy. I'm going to stop saying that. Okay. So, this is interesting. When the old owner, whoever it was before, built the floor, they used what looks like 2x4s, which would add a lot of weight, and you don't really want that because you just use up too much gas because of the extra weight, so that's interesting. But they did put some insulation down, so maybe I can reuse some of that and I wouldn't have to buy at least that much. We'll see. I'll show you. Look, I'm rich. Woohoo! Well, I think that's enough for tonight. And now I can see some progress. So now I can see what the floor looks like, and that's good. I'll show you. I think I'm finished for tonight, and tomorrow I'll move all of that up to the front, and then I can do the back floor. I'm about halfway back. I'll show you. I finished this area all the way back to right there, about halfway. So all across there. Looks good. Good morning again. It is very cold. We are here at the dump and I am ready to empty out, and I will show you it empty. I am very excited to see it empty and be finished with working my arms, my shoulders, my back. Whoo, they are sore, but it feels good to work hard. So, all right, I'm going to put you on slow motion. Slow motion. No, not slow motion. I'm going to speed it up. You don't want to watch me walk around in slow motion. No, I'll speed it up. It's too early in the morning. Okay, are you ready? Well, we're ready to see it empty. It's very exciting. Ready? Are you sure? Are you sure you're ready? Okay. Ta-da! Looks good. It is wonderful. It was a lot of work. The next thing will be to clean it up, make sure everything's clean, and then the next will be to put down the new insulation and then the wood, and then tell them we're ready to install the floor. Also, we have to think about the side walls. Do we take those down? The ceiling, do we take it down and put in new insulation there? We'll see what the next step is. Okay, See you next week. Bye. Hello. We want to ask you guys, in 2 weeks, we are going to do a Q&A, a question answer, which means for you guys to type a comment on YouTube or Facebook, a Traveling CODA page, and ask us what you want to know about us. What do you want to know about? Anything. You can go ahead and ask us, and we're going to answer in a video in 2 weeks. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.